So our poor Marley girl is cutting 4 twofers. So we're going to give her some strawberry milkshake. You ready? Hold on, tip your head back. Oh! You like it? More? You like it? More? Hold on. More? You like it? What? Almost. We're almost done with dinner. A little bit more? You do have spots on your shirt.
Yeah, I do.
What's that from? All done. All done.
It's from...
Bye-bye.
It's from that.
Oh, from your PBJ?
Yep, that's PBJ.
You know what PBJ stands for? Peanut, butter, and jelly. It's all gone. Bye-bye.
Are you done, guys?
Yep. What do you think about that?